In this video, you'll get better acquainted with forms. If you're working with a template that already has a form included, you can start editing by clicking on the form fields. If your template or page doesn't already have a form, just drag one from the panel on the left-hand side. It's important to note that each Unbounce landing page can only have one form per page. When you're starting from a template, you should have some form fields already. If not, just add what fits your campaign needs. There are a number of standard field templates to choose from. This form came preloaded with email, first name, and last name, all of which are required fields. Email validation was also enabled for this form, which verifies that the text entered is a real email address. If you add a phone number field, you can validate for different regions as well. You also have the option of adding an internal field ID or changing the field label. By default, the internal field ID will be the same as your field label. To customize it, simply uncheck the Copy from Field Label box and type a new one. You can also add fields by type. Choose from things like checkboxes, radio buttons, or even hidden fields, which can be useful for some of our advanced features and integrations. From there, you can edit and customize. You can move any of these items up and down by using these arrows, or remove them altogether by clicking the trash icon. When your form is built, the element menu will populate on the right-hand side of the builder. We'll talk about form confirmation in another video. In the label attributes section, you can adjust the position of the labels as well as their font, color, and size. In the field attributes section, you can adjust the number of columns, height, spacing, font size, borders, corners, and both the background and text colors. If you're using checkbox or radio buttons, you'll edit these in the section below.